In front of me is Realme 11 and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. You need to begin by holding your search bar and waiting for remove pop-up to show. When it does, click on it and confirm your choice in the second pop-up. You can also hold your device's display. Click on this red remove icon at the top right corner of your search bar and confirm your choice in the same pop-up as before. Then tap on Home button. As you can see, after that, my search bars were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!